Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Info Studio. Today, I'll be demonstrating a Python-based fitness training application. So let's get started. Before diving into the code, let's take a quick look at how this application works. This app allows users to create a fitness profile, automatically calculate BMI, view structured workout plans for different fitness levels, log daily workouts, and track progress over time. All within a clean, user-friendly desktop interface. Let's begin by importing the required modules for the application.
All colors, fonts, and window sizes are defined at the top. Primary green theme for fitness branding. Next, these workout plans are stored in a dictionary. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. Each level contains a list of exercises with durations, making it easy to modify or extend later without touching the UI logic. Now this user class stores personal details, name, age, height, weight, calculates BMI, maintains a workout log with date tracking. This separation ensures that data logic is independent of the GUI. This is main application class, which controls the entire interface and user flow. Here key responsibilities are: loading a background image with fallback handling, creating and switching between screens, managing user interactions. Now this dashboard displays personalized welcome message, BMI calculation, and navigation buttons such as view workout plan, log workout, view progress, exit, and each button routes the user to a specific feature screen. This clear widgets method ensures smooth screen transitions, no overlapping UI elements, background image persistence. This improves performance and UI stability. This project is a great example of how Python and Tkinter can be used to build real-world desktop applications with clean UI, structured code, and expandable features. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like to add next. Thanks for watching.